Here are a couple of carrier base model heat pumps. Open scroll compressor. And it's got a Parker suction accumulator. This one's from 2006 and it's a 4-ton, 48,000 BTU. You know what? I don't know what kind of compressor. Oh, that's a Copeland. It's a Copeland as well. Look kind of different, but it is a Copeland scroll. It's got a GE motor. This one's also got a Parker suction accumulator. And this one is a 2.5 ton. Siemens disconnect box. Got some Halloween decorations. Some fake webs and a plastic spider. Here's another base model. This one looks a little hacked. Barely legible. 2006, 3.5 ton. And I've gone by here once and seen this thing frozen solid. And I'm not sure what exactly this is. And there's 3 Comfort series over here. (2013) 3-ton. Gentech motor. And this is the one I got defrosting the first day of spring. Or maybe it was this one. Nah, I think it was this one. Oh, and it has been running. In heat mode. And that right there is a brand new building. It's got 3 Comfortmaker heat pumps and an LG ductless heat pump. I assume this is the data sheet. I can't freaking tell. Probably about a 1 or 1.5 ton. And here's one of the Comfortmaker units. And this is brand new. 3-ton. Gentech motor. And this one's got an LG scroll compressor. Very unfortunate. That's a 4-ton. And this one's got a Copeland. That's a 5-ton. Well, what kind of compressor does that first one have? LG. There's some more carrier units over here. Another hacked one. (2007), that is a 3.5 ton. Ooh. That might have been a frost that was built up on the unit earlier. And then when it shut off, it melted off the coil. 2006, that's a 3-ton. GE motor. 2008, 5-ton. This has got a scroll compressor. Copeland. (2008), 4-ton. Up and running. I guess out.